Today I'm going to teach you how to unblock an email address in Gmail. If you've previously blocked someone and now want to allow their messages back into your inbox, this guide will show you exactly how to reverse that action quickly and easily. First, open your web browser and head over to Gmail by typing https://mail.google.com into the address bar. Once you're there, sign in to your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're using the correct credentials so you can access your full settings and make the necessary changes. Once you're inside your inbox, look toward the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the comprehensive settings page where you can manage all aspects of your Gmail account, including blocked addresses. Now that you're in the full settings menu, look at the tabs along the top of the page. Click on the tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. This section is where Gmail stores all the rules you've set up, including any email addresses you've chosen to block. It's essentially your control center for managing what gets through to your inbox and what doesn't. Scroll down the page until you reach the Blocked Addresses section. Here you'll see a list of all the email addresses you've blocked over time. Find the specific email address you want to unblock from this list. Next to each address, there's an Unblock button. Click this button next to the email you want to allow back into your inbox. A pop-up box will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Click Unblock again to finalize the change. Once you've done this, any future emails from that address will go directly to your inbox instead of being blocked. This change takes effect immediately, so you won't miss any incoming messages from that sender moving forward. If you'd prefer a quicker method, you can also unblock an email directly from a message. Simply locate a blocked email from that sender, open it, and click the Unblock Sender button at the top of the message. This works both on desktop and in the Gmail mobile app, though most of these settings are easiest to adjust on the desktop version. On mobile, just open a blocked email and tap Unblock Sender. Thanks for watching.